Hey everyone, let us discuss our first program in C++. So the first line of our C++ is as hashtag include IOStream. IOStream is a library where we store, count, cout, uh, sin, all these things. Using namespace std is used to print. It is used to that it is used that it is used because the compiler that we show the compiler that we use yeah, that we print the value. Okay, so next is int main. Int main is the main function of C++. Next is a return zero. Return zero, that in every language that you see in C++, that we use return zero in at last of the code. So this is the std that if we not use using namespace std here, then we use std. This is also correct. So it is the option that you write here or there. So after that, which value we print, like cout. Cout is the object. Cout is used to print the value in our code, and this sign is called intersection operator. It means that he it print the value that we write in like hello world, all these things. And let us discuss flowchart of adding two numbers. So first we start with the include IOStream using std. It is a start. Then we take print. What value we have to print? We print like enter two numbers. That the program should know that what we have to print. So the firstly we print, after the int main we enter, we see out two numbers, and then after taking see out, we process our program, that what we have to do, that we have to print like c. C is a variable. C equal to a plus b. A plus b is a variable, and we can take any number in this a plus b. And after at last we use print, like we print what we at last what we have to print, what value we have to print in C++, that is written at the last of our C++ program. So this is the basic. Don't think that it is the only program, that it is only the flowchart that we have to use in every code. So in this you should know that string. What is string? String is the set of character. If we print a character in our input, then we use string. So now we make a one code that is a sum of two numbers. So firstly we write our first tab, that is include IOStream then using namespace. Why we use? To show the compiler that we use that we print a value, that we print any std value, standard value, like sin, cout, sin, all these things. So this is semicolon, that we that you have to that you have to know that after using namespace, we should put semicolon in this. So after that, this the, after using namespace, the our main function is started. So first we know that what we have to print. We have to print sum of two numbers. And how we have to know that sum of two numbers, how we have to print? We just take, should use cout and in section operator. After that, double inverted comma, and we have to write enter two numbers, let's say, and after that we have to close this and semicolon. Okay, after that we have to take the value, take the input. The program asks for input, what value we have to print. So the work of input is done by sin. This is also the sign, this is the sign that we use in sin, and this is the variable, two variables. That you should know that this sin is written like this. Okay, and after that c is a variable. Now we use c to print these two variables. If we don't use c, so how we know that how our output is come. Okay, so c a plus b. Okay, so you should know that if we put any variable in C++ or use any variables in C++, that we have to mention or we have to store this variable by using putting int. What variable we use? a b c semicolon. So you know, include IOStream, we write using namespace, we write main function is started here, and what value we have to what thing we have to print, like enter two numbers. Sin is to taking the input in C++, and c equal to a plus b is used to add these two numbers. And variables, if we take variables in this part, then we have to store in this int a b plus c. So this all the program we process, and after that at last we completed with cout addition is then we use in section operator c. Why we use c? Because what is c? A plus b. So this is our output. So semicolon, return 0. So what output we should give? Output that this value, this values compiler is print in output. Addition is, what is c? Sorry, No, first output should be enter two numbers. They will ask for enter two numbers. So if we put a equal to 5, b equal to, let's say, 4, so addition is, what is c, a plus b, 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is the program of sum of two numbers in C++. So let's recap this. We first program we learned today, uh, include IOStream is the first step we have to write in C++. Then using namespace, then our function is started with int main, and cout is used for printing the value, and this 4 dot is scope resolution. If we not use this using namespace std, then we use std, it's okay. Cout is the object, okay. Then we use then at last we have to write return 0. Then this sum of this flowchart we learn, add two numbers. Then our program is started first, include IOStream, okay. Then what program, what we have to print, we have to print two numbers, so enter two numbers. Then sin, you can write, you can see here. Then we take two numbers as a variable a plus b, and we use this, we, then these two numbers we have to use a one variable we make, and we this variable is equal to these two numbers. At last, what is our output that we have to use, that we have to print. And this addition is intersection operator C. So at last return 0, as you know, we have to put, and after that the output is 9. If you want to do it in your PC or in your code block, so the answer, so you can write here, you can see here addition of two numbers, okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.